Hello lovelies! I hope you are all enjoying a restful and relaxing holiday season and that Santa was extra good to you all this year. After all, you totally deserve it. Now, as the new year approaches, I know that getting our eating back on track is becoming more and more top of mind, and as always, I am here to help you do just that. So all month long through January, I'm going to be sharing quick, easy, and delicious recipes that are loaded with feel-good ingredients that you can feel really great about. So there is a lot to look forward to. Now I should mention 2019 was a pretty epic year here at the Domestic Geek. First, I welcomed my gorgeous daughter Elle into the world, and she is basically the light of my life. I can't believe she is just about to turn 1 on January 5th. I am really, really excited to celebrate that milestone with her, but I'll also admit it's kind of bittersweet because I'm not ready for her to be 1 yet. I'm guessing there are some parents out there who could sympathize. Also in 2019, we launched our very first cookbook, the Domestic Geek's Meals Made Easy. If you do not have your copy yet, I really hope you will check it out. It is full of fresh, fuss-free recipes for healthy eating and perfect for the new year. So if you're looking for some inspiration to get your eating back on track, it is a great resource. And of course, launching a book was a huge deal, totally new to everyone on our team, but an absolute dream come true. And then the third thing we're celebrating is in 2019, we launched healthymealplans.com, our amazing meal planning site. Now, if you have not checked out healthymealplans.com, it is this incredible tool that allows you to browse through hundreds of healthy recipes, plot them into your meal plan for the week, and then generate your grocery list with just a click of the button. The best part is using the site is absolutely free for you guys. So you can go on, check it out. It's a really, really good way to start the new year. Now, for those of you who are looking for a little more help getting your eating back on track, we also offer our specialty meal plans through the site. Now, these were developed by our in-house dietitian to be nutritionally balanced, and they're loaded with really wonderful recipes. Each of the meal plans caters to a different dietary preference. So we've got a vegetarian meal plan, a vegan meal plan, low carb, gluten-free, pescatarian, whatever your dietary preference is, we have got you covered. Now these are all 4-week meal plans, so you've got 4 weeks of inspiration for breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. So the best part is once you've purchased them, you can mix and match your recipes and swap them around depending on your taste. And I'm excited to let you know that in honor of the new year, we are offering 25% off on all of our specialty meal plans. As always, all the details are available in the description box below, so you can take a look for them there. And most importantly, guys, I wanted to extend my sincerest thanks for all of the love and support you have shown the channel over the last year. As you know, none of this would be possible without you, and I am just so filled with gratitude. And to be honest, I just can't wait to see what 2020 has in store for us. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a safe, happy, and healthy new year, and I look forward to seeing you in 2020.